Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk you through how to call someone on Facebook Messenger. Here are the easy steps to call someone on Facebook Messenger using your mobile phone. First, unlock your mobile phone and make sure you're connected to the internet or mobile data. Then open the Messenger app. Tap the blue chat bubble icon with a lightning bolt. Log in if prompted. Enter your Facebook credentials to sign in. Tap the search bar at the top. This lets you find the person you want to call to. Type the name of your friend. Suggestions will appear as you type. Select a friend from the search results. This opens your chat with them. Tap the phone icon for a voice call. It's located in the top right corner of the chat screen. Or tap the video camera icon for a video call, if you prefer to make a video call instead. Allow microphone or camera permissions. If it's your first time calling, Messenger will request access. Wait for them to answer. Your call will start ringing on their end. Speak once they answer. Chat freely using voice or video. Tap the red phone icon to end the call. This disconnects the call. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.